Warning: never combine turmeric with these 3 foods. Are you a health enthusiast leveraging the power of turmeric? Hold on! Combining this golden spice with certain foods can be detrimental to your health. Let's uncover these dangerous combinations and protect your well-being. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's a staple in many health routines, promising benefits from joint pain relief to improved brain function. But are you using it safely? Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its vibrant color and earthy flavor make it a popular ingredient in many cuisines. However, its true power lies in its medicinal properties. While black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, excessive amounts can be harmful. Too much piperine, the active compound in black pepper, can irritate the digestive system. This can lead to discomfort and even nutrient malabsorption. A pinch of black pepper is beneficial, but avoid overdoing it. Listen to your body and adjust the amount accordingly. Remember, moderation is key to reaping the benefits without the drawbacks. Turmeric possesses natural blood-thinning properties. Combining it with anticoagulant medications like warfarin can amplify this effect. This increases the risk of excessive bleeding and bruising. If you're on blood thinners, consult your doctor before incorporating turmeric into your diet. They can help you determine a safe dosage and monitor for any potential interactions. Your safety is paramount. Curcumin can interfere with iron absorption. Consuming large amounts of turmeric alongside iron-rich foods like spinach or red meat can hinder your body's ability to absorb iron effectively. This can lead to iron deficiency over time. Space out your turmeric consumption from your iron-rich meals. This allows your body to absorb both nutrients optimally. A balanced approach is crucial for maintaining overall health. To maximize the benefits of turmeric, consume it in moderation. Pair it with healthy fats like coconut oil or olive oil to enhance absorption. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Listen to your body and pay attention to any adverse reactions. Turmeric is a powerful spice, but it's essential to use it responsibly. Your health is worth the extra caution. Protect your health by avoiding these dangerous turmeric combinations. Share this vital information with your friends and family to keep them safe. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and expert advice. Consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to personalize your turmeric intake based on your individual needs and medications. Take control of your health today